guys, friendly neighborhood STEM teacher here, Miss L, and I definitely have to say that you guys crushed the last Tinker Challenge. Per the engineering protocol, it's time to elevate our engineering skills or get better at what we do by trying something a little harder than the last challenge. Due to the holiday season, this time we're going to be working with eggs. That's right, you may have guessed it, we're doing an egg drop. Egg drops are a lot of fun and can be a bit messy. The objective is to drop the egg and make sure it's protected from a certain distance. However you protect that egg is up to you, but you want to make sure that it doesn't crack and ooze out. Your job is to protect the egg. Some of the basic things you might need is 1 or 2 eggs, a roll of tape, doesn't matter what kind, and maybe a few toilet tissue rolls. I mean, due to the current situation, you might have a few of these lying around or any type of cardboard. You can do whatever you like to complete that challenge. I'll demonstrate my process, but please know that everybody's model is not going to be the same, and that is okay. Now that you have all your materials and you've gathered the people that you need to help you, let's head on outside. There are 2 particular things that I want you to remember. The first one is, if you don't have any of these materials, it's okay to substitute them. That means finding other things that help you complete the challenge. Whether it's grocery bags, drinking straws, other types of cardboard, it's up to you. Second, if you need help, don't hesitate to ask. Things are a lot more fun when family and friends are involved. Let me know if you dropped it from 2 or 3 feet or if it was from 16 or 17 feet. That's totally up to you and the people that you do the challenge with. Now that you've seen my process of building my own egg drop contraption, it's your turn. Make sure you take videos and pictures and send them over to us so that we can see how you're crushing the Tinker Challenge every week. And always remember, harness that creativity and build on your imagination. We definitely have to, we have to, you don't have to judge me though. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. You're just gonna walk away.